What I want to talk about to you is putting a trolling motor on a kayak with a deadman switch. Now a lot of people are putting their trolling motors, and I got a Minn Kota 3030. Got it on sale at LeBaron last year. Real good deal. And then what you do is you use a milk crate and a battery, and you stick it on the back of your kayak with the board, and off you go. Trouble is, if you fall in the water, it keeps on going. So it's really, really important. You have to put a deadman switch on. And that's what I want to talk to you about today. So, if you will bear with me, I got a Bigfoot trolling motor switch. I don't know if you can see that. A Bigfoot trolling motor switch. I got it at Bass Pro Shop. It's an on-off switch. You push the button down, it goes on. Take your hand off, it goes off. Okay? So what I'm going to show you how to do today is to fix this into your trolling motor real easy, and you'll have a deadman switch. Now, this is the one I've just done. I have two kayaks. One's a 10-foot Pelican, one's the 120 Catch with the really nice seat. And what I did, I wired in, I took apart the Bigfoot switch, I ground it down, I'm going to show you how, and it's at the end of the trolling motor. I can turn it forward, I can turn it backward, but if my finger is not on the end, it doesn't work. And then I just looped in the wire, so when it comes from the battery, it has to go through the Bigfoot switch. Simple as that, but I'm going to show you how I did it. Now this is a used switch I had. I used to use it as a foot pedal switch, but you get tall people, short people, and then it's either too short, too close, too far, just right for me. So I'm going to change all that. So what I'm going to do, okay, so we take it apart. This part, throw it away. This we keep, momentary switch, and this little seat bracket for it, I'm going to keep. Okay? This is way too big for the end of the trolling motor, so I have to cut this down to size. So I'm going to use my grinding stone, and I'm just going to grind her all down. So I'll set it all up and you can watch. I'm just going to use my grinding stone, grind it all down. Don't need it, it just takes a minute. Okay, so I've ground it down to this, but you can see that it's a bit of an angle, and I like to level that off. I found it makes it work a bit better. Bigfoot trolling switch looks like this. Okay? Two pieces. And it's going to go on like this. And I think I'm going to grind it down. Glue that right now, so that's half the battle. Okay? So I'm using Goop. Goop, it's that maritime marine glue. Because here we go to the second half of this equation. And what I have to do is splice into this wire, which I shall. But right now, we're going to take this off. These things, there we go. They come off pretty easy if you give a little attitude, okay? We're going to put the switch, I just put my I want to sand that down, and then we're going to put the switch on the end, and the wires are going to go in here, okay? And the one I did, I had the wires go inside a bit, but I'm starting to wonder, I don't even think I need to do that. I just need to make a level switch and then just do it. What I found was, when you go around here and you push in, right there, there's a soft spot. Now what I'm going to do, you have a hole, I'm just going to do one at a time. Put my wire through. So I'm putting my deadman switch on. It's going to go on the end here in a second. Now, come on. One at a time, that's what it takes. But what I just use tape because I figure, you know, this got glue on it, and the glue will, you know, toughen it up. And then the tape, and guess what? put new tape on it. Okay? So let me put a little bit more glue on here, and then I'm going to tape it up. Okay, so right now, look at that trolling motor. This is just wired directly to the battery. Turn it on, it goes. Fall overboard, it keeps on going. Right? Or whatever you want. Here is the handle. This is what we're going to put on and wire in the deadman switch. Okay? Yeah, we have it wired. The positive goes right to it, and the negative wire has to go through the handle and to it. So when I turn my motor on, nothing happens. Hit the button, everything happens. I go backwards, and it takes, this switch is so sweet, it just takes no power at all. There you go, look at that. And it can go, because I got the big kayak, I can go for hours and hours and hours and hours, and boy can you ever make up a lot of territory. So there you have it. It's a deadman switch, goes on a Minn Kota trolling motor or any trolling motor. Why they don't come like this is beyond me, because whether it's on a canoe or whatever, without a deadman switch, it's on and you fall out, it keeps on going. And Bass Pro Shop, look online, you'll find it. It's called the Bigfoot trolling switch, and just wire it in. Meanwhile, I'm going to just touch this up with some of my electrical tape, make it look a little nicer, and I'll see you guys on the water.